Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Why trailer truck maintenance logs are essential for safety and savings. Keeping trailer trucks road ready isn't just about routine fixes, it's about keeping track. Maintenance logs are the backbone of running a safe, efficient fleet. They help ensure driver safety, reduce unexpected repair costs, and meet legal requirements. Without them, you're risking breakdowns, hefty fines, and delays that could harm your bottom line. Proper logs aren't just good practice, they're a smart investment. Understanding trailer truck maintenance logs. Maintenance logs are the unsung heroes of fleet management. They document every detail needed to keep your trailer trucks running smoothly, from routine inspections to unexpected repairs. Think of them as the medical records for your vehicles. Without them, diagnosing issues and staying compliant becomes nearly impossible. Let's explore their key components, how they're managed, and what the law requires. Key components of maintenance logs. A solid maintenance log ensures no detail about your vehicle's health slips through the cracks. But what should you include? Here's a breakdown of the essentials. Inspections. Record results from daily pre- and post-trip inspections. This includes checking the brakes, tires, lights, and other critical systems. Repairs. Log when repairs are performed, outlining the issue, how it was fixed, and by whom. Parts replacements. Track any swapped-out parts, from filters to brake pads. Include specifics like part numbers and dates to monitor wear and tear efficiency. Vehicle mileage. Each entry should note the vehicle's current mileage. This helps you schedule preventative maintenance before problems arise. A detailed log doesn't just streamline operations, it acts as a safety net, helping fleet managers catch potential issues early and prevent costly breakdowns. Paper versus digital logs. Traditionally, maintenance logs were kept on paper. Today, digital systems are quickly taking over. Each option has its benefits and challenges. Paper logs. Advantages: simple and inexpensive to start. Drivers can jot down notes right away, and no special training is required. Challenges: paper is fragile. Logs can get lost, damaged, or illegible. Searching for specific entries or sharing records is time-consuming and prone to errors. Digital logs. Advantages: these make tracking easy with apps or software storing everything in one place. You can set reminders for future maintenance and generate reports with a click. Challenges: digital systems require upfront costs, training, and stable internet access in some cases. Technical issues like software glitches can also cause delays. Which is better? That depends on your fleet size and operations. Small fleets may thrive with paper logs, while larger companies often save time and money by going digital. Legal requirements for maintenance logs. Maintenance logs aren't just helpful, they're legally required. The Department of Transportation, and the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FMCSA, both enforce strict regulations to ensure trailers are safe on the road. Compliance. Operators must keep accurate maintenance records for each vehicle, documenting every repair and inspection. This information has to be readily available for audits or inspections. FMCSA requirements. Fleet owners must maintain records proving that vehicles meet minimum safety standards. This includes regular inspections and timely repairs. Records typically must be kept for at least 1 year or 6 months after a vehicle leaves the fleet. Ignoring these requirements can lead to fines, penalties, and even out-of-service orders. But beyond compliance, keeping up with logs builds trust with inspectors and helps avoid red tape during audits. Being proactive with your maintenance logs isn't just about avoiding trouble, it's about giving yourself peace of mind. The more detailed and organized the records, the smoother your operations will run. Best practices for maintaining accurate logs. Maintaining accurate trailer truck maintenance logs is about more than just meeting regulations. It's about creating a system that keeps your fleet safe, efficient, and organized. By focusing on simple routines, standardized tools, and proper training, you can ensure your logs are reliable and easy to manage while avoiding unnecessary headaches down the road. Routine inspections and record-keeping. Daily inspections aren't just a suggestion. They're a critical step in spotting small issues before they turn into major problems. Every pre- and post-trip check should be documented immediately, with no exceptions. Why? Delayed entries lead to forgotten details, missed repairs, and the potential for safety risks. When drivers complete their daily inspections, they should focus on key areas like tires, brakes, lights, and fluid levels. If something seems off, it needs to be recorded then and there, along with any corrective actions taken. Encourage your team to think of logs like a journal for the truck. It should tell a complete story about its condition. Here's how to make the process seamless and consistent. Create a habit. Drivers should complete their inspections at the same time during every shift. Keep it simple. Provide a clear checklist to ensure no steps are overlooked. Encourage honesty. Logs are meant to track problems, not hide them. Even minor concerns should be noted. By integrating inspections into the daily routine and emphasizing immediate record-keeping, you'll build a habit that protects your fleet and keeps everything in check. Standardized processes and tools. When it comes to maintenance logs, consistency is king. If every driver and mechanic is following a different process, you're inviting confusion and errors. Standardized templates or digital tools provide a framework that ensures every log entry is complete and clear. Using a set format for logs makes information easy to find. Whether it's a digital app, spreadsheet, or paper form, everyone should record details in the same place and in the same way. If part of your team still uses paper logs while others are transitioning to a mobile app, it's time to pick one and stick with it. Here's why standardized tools matter. Save time. You won't need to hunt through a mix of formats to find information. Improve accuracy. Pre-built forms or software reduce the chances of forgetting essential details. Stay audit ready. Inspectors appreciate neatly organized and complete records. For many fleets, digital tools are the way forward. Maintenance software often includes features like automated reminders for inspections and repairs, real-time updates, and quick access to historical data. Digital systems also eliminate concerns about lost or damaged paper logs, because nobody wants to dig through a pile of worn-out binders during an audit. Training for drivers and mechanics. Even the best tools and processes are useless if your team doesn't know how to use them. That's why training is essential. Drivers and mechanics need to understand not only how to complete logs properly but why it's so important. When they see the bigger picture, they're more likely to follow through. Start by going over the basics. Explain what needs to be recorded, how often, and how to use any tools or templates. If you're introducing a new digital system, schedule time for hands-on training and troubleshooting. The goal is to make the process second nature, not overwhelming. To keep things running smoothly, consider refresher courses. Revisiting log procedures regularly ensures everyone stays on the same page. Feedback sessions. Ask drivers and mechanics what's working and what's not with your system. Visual aids. Use charts, videos, or simple guides to explain common mistakes and how to avoid them. When your team understands the importance of maintenance logs, they'll treat them with care. Experienced drivers and mechanics might even offer valuable insights for improving your system. By making inspections part of the routine, standardizing processes, and equipping your team with the right training, you'll set a strong foundation for accurate maintenance logs. Keep things simple, clear, and consistent. The effort you invest now will pay off in fewer breakdowns, smoother audits, and a safer fleet. Maintaining detailed trailer truck maintenance logs isn't just a task, it's an investment in safety, compliance, and cost savings. By keeping accurate records, you reduce risks, avoid penalties, and keep your fleet running smoothly. Investing time in proper log systems, whether digital or paper, builds trust with regulators and protects your bottom line. Small steps in record-keeping today can prevent significant issues tomorrow. Start treating maintenance logs as a critical tool for running a safer, more efficient fleet. If you haven't already, now's the time to refine your process and keep your operations rolling without a hitch. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.